Uh-oh. Guess who's back?
Tell him, boy. Who's that?
It's your boy, Swishing Beats. Come on, talk to me now.
Skeeter Rock.
What up, Toda? I told him we was coming back, girl. Hey, you know it. From Kansas to London,
Ratchet,
from London to Africa, from Africa to Jamaica, from Jamaica to Puerto Rico, and from Puerto Rico to Mexico, Spain to the Caribbean, Caribbean to the Bahamas, from the Bahamas back to America. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down. I'm in your country, in your city, even. It's your boy once again, back again with my homie girlfriend Toda. I'm up first with the first show. I'm the last dragon spitting hot fire flaming, Himalayan to the brain, life is like a dance friend. They be saying man down, I'm the best hands down. Got the beat, switch the sound, let's continue right now. Go Ratchet in this bitch, tell them where you're from. Rep your city, rep your country, homie, where you from? I'm from Kansas City, baby, we be having fun. Nice cars, nice rims, shining like the sun. If you Ratchet, it's okay, you just being free. Like Tupac used to say, all lies on me. At the house, at the park, in the day or the dark. Show your ratchetootie, ratatoutie, attitudey. Kansas to London, from London to Africa, from Africa to Jamaica, from Jamaica to Puerto Rico, and from Puerto Rico to Mexico, Spain to the Caribbean, Caribbean to the Bahamas, from the Bahamas back to America. Hey,
Susan Boyle, the kettle is that time to snap it on the Ratchet, broken spine. Make you wanna hit rewind, cause I'm that damn line. Down to the T, that be me, I'm just that way inclined. About to get real high, like the Jackson, never land, never mind. Pitch escalating like Mariah Carey, touch my body, yeah, I body the beat, tie. Spin it, I lick it, I clip it and whip it, I drip it, flick it, dip it and twist it, whisk it, frisk it, lick it and kiss it. Always pick it and pimp it up, 50 cent out of control. You know, Drake repetition. Listen, I'm on a mission, definition. This is an abomination situation. I'm a crack combination like Caucasian.
from Kansas to London, from London to Africa, from Africa to Jamaica, from Jamaica to Puerto Rico, and from Puerto Rico to Mexico, Spain to the Caribbean, Caribbean to the Bahamas, from the Bahamas back to America.
We ain't proper no more. It's time to get ratchet. To the world we gon' show. We the ones that can teach it. Switch your beats for the heat. To all my dogs, it's a treat. If you a hater, this defeat. If you a lion, this a meat. Take a tool out. Show your ass, nigga. Let me hear you shout. Forget the class, nigga. If you a trap, nigga, give them crap, nigga. I'm talking whole turds. Ain't no half, nigga. Fuck it, I'ma get this thinking just to have the people thinking. Sway can get the flexing. All I'm really doing is rapping. Only recently beginning, but to the word I'm introducing. How my future gon' be looking. Ratchet things I'll end up doing while I'm taking showers in success. With the model I undress, I will stop at nothing less. Feel like I deserve the best. I just do this shit for fun, but when I do decide to make it, I'll just do it number one.
From Kansas to London, from London to Africa, from Africa to Jamaica, from Jamaica to Puerto Rico, and from Puerto Rico to Mexico, Spain to the Caribbean, Caribbean to the Bahamas, from the Bahamas back to America. Hey,
This is a Swisher Beats production. This is a Swisher Beats production.
Get ratchet.